Hello everyone, welcome to Star Guru online classes children. So in this session we are going to solve a puzzle here. Okay ma? So without doing no more late, we'll start and we'll see what is that puzzle here. Okay. So see here ma. See, can you see it on the screen here? What are the steps to be followed here to solve the puzzle here? Okay. So let us discuss now once. So what is the first step here? Yes ma? See, the first step is use only digits. Okay, that is from 1 to 8 we need to use the digits here. Okay, only 1 to 8 digits we need to use it here. And what is the second step here? Numbers should not repeated. Okay, so whatever you are taking the numbers, those numbers should not be repeated again. Okay, so let us see the third step. Sum of the rows and columns must be equal to 12. Okay, so if you add the row wise and if you add column wise also, you need to get the sum as 12. Okay, so let us see the puzzle now. Yes, are you all so excited to see the puzzle, right? Yes, so see here we have the puzzle. Okay, so you need to fill these boxes here. Okay ma, so what you need to do here, you need to fill these boxes. Okay, by using the numbers 1 to 8, and the numbers should not be repeated, and whenever you are adding the row wise and the column wise, the sum should be 12. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow here to solve this puzzle. Okay, so we need to take the numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, so let us write it here 1 to 8 numbers now. Okay ma, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so by using these numbers here we need to solve this puzzle. It's very interesting, right? See, if you start solving, you enjoy a lot. You think in different ways. When you solve a puzzle, your thinking capacity will be increased. You think in different ways. You don't know that ways also, right? So see here, let us solve now this puzzle. Okay, so I'll place here the first one. Okay, I'll place here 6. Okay Nama? Yes, so here is 6. Okay, and the next number here, I'll take it here 5. Okay, so see here, that is 6 plus 5 is how much ma? Yes, that is 11. So what should be added more to get 12? That is only 1. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. And 11 plus 1 is again 12. So here we got it 12. Yes. So let us fill now these 5 boxes here. Okay. So let us see now. Okay. So we'll take it here the number. Yes ma. So we'll take it here the number 7. Okay, so here I have taken 7. So what should be here? Here it should be 5, right? 7 plus 5 is 12, but here already 5 here we have written it. So we won't take here 7 now. Okay, instead of 7, we'll take another number here. Okay, so let us take here and another number, that is 4. Okay, so let us take here 4 now. So 6 plus 4 is how much? 6 plus 4 is 10. And what should be added more? 2 to get 12. So we have finished here 1, 4, 5 and 2 also we finished, and 6 also we have finished. So the remaining numbers should be placed here in these boxes, right? So let us see now. See, what should be added here to 4 to get 12? That is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So here I am writing 8 here. Okay. Yes. So see here. Here we have 5 here. Okay. So what should be added to 5 to get 12 ma? That is 7. It's very simple. 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Right? We got it here. And still, here we have 2 and 7. How much? 7 plus 2 is? Yes, it's 9, right? So what should be added to get 12? That is 3 only. The leftover the number is 3 here. Got it? So see, when you add here the row wise, see, that is 6 plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Yes. So see here we got it 12. Yes. And see the next one, next row here. 4 plus 8 is also again it is 12. Right. And see the next one. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is again it is 12. Right. So see here, now the column wise, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is, it's 12, right? It's 12. And see the next one, 5 plus 7 is also, that is also equal to 12, right? That is 12. Okay. So see here now, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is again, what do we got here, ma? Again 12. So here we have solved it now, right? So what were the steps here? We need to use 1 to 8 numbers, and the numbers should not be repeated. Yes, and if you add the row wise and the column wise, the sum should be 12. Right, ma? So here we got it. So I hope you all have enjoyed this puzzle, right? So I'm going to give you another puzzle to solve it. Okay, so are you all ready to see it? Yes. So see here. Here we have another puzzle. So to solve that puzzle, here you have the conditions here. The steps to be followed here. Okay, ma. So see, steps to be followed here. What are these steps? So let us see it once. Okay. So first step is use only digits 1 to 9. Only we need to use only 1 to 9 digits. In the previous puzzle, we have used 1 to 8 digits. But now to solve this, another puzzle, we need to use here only 1 to 9 digits. Okay. And the second step is numbers should not be repeated. Okay. And the third step is sum of rows, columns and diagonals must be equal to 15. So here in this puzzle, so when you add row wise, when you add column wise and when you add diagonally also, it must be equal to 15. Okay. So are you all ready to solve this puzzle, children? Yes. See. So you people try this puzzle. Okay. So try it once. So when you try, you will get it. Okay, children. So use the numbers from 1 to 9 and the numbers should not be repeated. Remember this. And when you add row wise, column wise and when you add diagonally also, you need to get the sum as 15. Okay, children. Thank you and have a nice day, kids.